Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Hot 50 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and this will bring down all the toggles. You're gonna swipe down in this area once more to extend the list of visible toggles, which also adds names to them. And we're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which will be added by default somewhere here. So once you see it, hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So I recommend at least going once through these options, changing them to fit your needs, and then you can just close it. Now before I do so, I'm going to quickly mention one option in here, which is the schedule mode. This would basically allow you to have it set so the device will turn the Do Not Disturb mode on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. And you just toggle that on and then select the parameters here, so start, end time, and which day of the week. Now you can only have one schedule here, unfortunately, as other devices just allow you to set up multiple at the same time. Here you're only limited to this one. Now for everyone who wants to use it manually, find the toggle once again and just simply tap on it to enable it, and that's it. Now this will, when you enable it like so, will run indefinitely in the background, so once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off, and you can do so by just tapping on a toggle once again. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.